Investing through the Vanguard app is a straightforward process that allows you to access a wide range of investment products, including mutual funds, ETFs, and more. Here's how you can get started with investing on the Vanguard app. Download the Vanguard app. Start by downloading the Vanguard app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign in if you already have an account. If you're a new user, create an account by providing your personal details and financial information. Complete the KYC process. Complete the Know Your Customer process by submitting your identification documents like social security number, address proof, and bank account details for verification. Fund your account. After completing the setup, fund your Vanguard account using a bank transfer, direct deposit, or another method. Ensure you have enough funds for your intended investments. Browse and select investments. In the app, explore different investment products like Vanguard mutual funds, ETFs, and stocks. You can also choose from pre-built portfolios that align with your risk profile. Place your investment order. Once you've chosen your investment, decide on the amount, review the details, and place your order. Vanguard allows you to invest via a lump sum or set up automatic investments. Monitor your investments. Track your portfolio's performance and make adjustments via the app as necessary.